Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video today we'll see how you can organize your content using the subsections. Okay, so ideally at the time of adding activity, if I click here I'll also see the options to add subsections. Okay, so why it is not coming as of now? Because I have not enabled that one. Okay, and this feature has introduced in Moodle 4.5. Okay, well, so this is a part of activity. So here I will have to come activity. So manage activity. Okay. So how manage activity? If I come here, I can see the sections here. Yeah. So since why this is given under activity? Because the moment you click here on this particular button, add an activity or this source, will also see this subsection. Okay, so you can enable these subsections coming to manage activity sections. Okay, so currently it is disable, and yes, the by default will remain the disable. We'll have to enable it. So now I am going to enable this one. Yeah, now again if I come back to my this test course and reload this page, I see the add an activity options has been changed with plus icon now. Okay, and now it is saying add content. So if I click on this particular button, I see here the options to add subsections or activity or resources. So if I click on activity and resources, it will be working as usual how it was working earlier. And this in the subsections, if I click on this, immediately it will add here. Got it? So what it add, you see here the new subsections. So I don't have to add here under general section, so I'll be deleting this one. So under introduction, I want to add, well, this is 6 subsections, and here I see intro, introduction to Moodle LMS. Okay, so like this will have all the subsections at your course side. And if you come here, the navigation panel you see on the left side, you see that this will be intended with your introduction. Like you see, it will look like the subsections. So let me try adding one more sections here. Yes, on the add button, let's say the subsection 2. Yeah, so again you see here this is subsections 2. This is first subsections I added here. Then if I click on this introduction, I will be able to hide all the contents around. So this is just for indentation purpose, and this is how you can uh, arrange your content. So if I turn off edit mode, I will be able to hide these complete sections, the subsections under these sections. Got it? So this is how you can try this at your end, and let me know in the comment if you see any challenges. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.